Hey, sis. Long time no see, I know. But don't come for me. Your girl's been busy, okay, with school and work. Don't blame me, okay? Stop. But anyways, I know y'all see this face. I just did this. No, I did not film it because it's super easy. It's just two colors. Made my eyes purple. No, my eyebrows purple, green, and then I drew some bats. That's it, sis. Really simple. But you can check this look out on Instagram so you can see it in full effect. Anyways, there's a lot of stuff that I gotta get through. Don't judge me. Judge your mom. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I can hear you judging me. Don't do it. You in my business? Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, so here is everything. You can't. If I'm squinting, I don't have my. I just spat. Ooh, my bad. Anyways, if I'm squinting, because I don't have in my contacts, and she's not going upstairs to put them in, so squint away, okay? But yeah, there's a lot of stuff in this bag, so we got a lot to get through. Plus, I have some new makeup products as well. So I'm gonna get through the makeup products first because that's sitting right here, and it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 products. So yeah. Anyways, so why I keep saying so? Can you tell I haven't filmed in a while? I'm sorry. Anyways, I finally got the new Juvia's Place. I am magic. I am magic velvety matte foundation. I got the color Punta Cana. Now I don't know if I can't talk. I don't know if this is the right color for me. Anyways, so yeah, that's what it looks like. And of course it has a seal on it, so you won't be able to see the color. But yeah, I'll definitely try that out in a video. Alright, so moving on, I got the e.l.f. matte putty primer. I first got the pink one. I don't think it's matte. I think it's just a poreless one. Anyways, we move. But yeah, I wanted to see if there is a big difference from the pink one and this one, because Lord knows I need a matte primer because your girl is oily. Okay. Then another e.l.f. product I got is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise eyeshadow palette. Now, I saw pictures of this on Instagram, but it's so much prettier. It's prettier in person. You know, I don't think I should film tonight because the way I can't speak is set up. I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyways, here's the palette. The video is making this palette, the camera is making the palette washed out. But I'm telling you, this palette is so pretty. I got this from Target, and I'm telling you, this was a Tropicana and Baha Mar. Come on, light. These two right here, so pretty. And y'all know I love a blue eyeshadow. So Sip Sip is so. Oh, that's kind of like Yip Yip for Aang and Appa. Girl, anyways. So yeah, this palette, I believe this is like $14. I just dug a hole into it. Can you see that? I just dug a hole right in it. You know what? Let me close it. It's like a sign. I should not be filming tonight. I don't know what's wrong with me. Moving on to another palette. Girl, I know. I need a palette. Like I need another hole in my head. And trust me, she needs to keep all the brain cells she has. This is a palette from Makeup Revolution in collaboration with Tammy. But it's called the Tropical Twilight. I'm sure y'all have seen this. It's been all over Instagram, and plenty of people have done reviews of it. And everybody that I've seen do a review on this palette has loved it. So I'm super excited about using it. But I love the palette. I like the gradient with the sunset. So pretty. So This palette is 10 times prettier in person. Look at that. Oh. My camera is doing no justice, but it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. You have the blues, the purples, the orange, and this yellow right here. I am so excited about using that because y'all know good yellows are hard to come by. And they have some pressed glitters. I think 3 pressed glitters. I'm interested to see how those work. But yeah, I love this row right here of mattes. So it has 2 rows of mattes, 2 rows of shimmers and glitters. So I'm super excited about this palette and cannot wait to use it. Moving on to the Amazon stuff. So I'm going to just pull at random because there's a lot of stuff in here. So the first thing that fell out is a wig. This is an orange wig that I am going to, it came with a wig cap, that I'm going to turn into, what's her name? Lilu. The hair that she had in the movie Fifth Element. So yeah, I know it's super bright. So yeah, the camera is like, girl, what's going on? But yeah, she has a bang. The bang. Oh. Not the bang. Yeah, she has a bang. But yeah, she's pretty full. She goes to my shoulders, and if you don't know who Lilu is, which girl, where have you been? This is Lilu. Yes, I got the multi-pass. Yeah, I've had this multi-pass for like ever. I've had this, oh my gosh, I think I bought this maybe the end of last year or the beginning of this year. But yeah, I did get a multi-pass. And if you can't really see her, yeah, but she has dreads. So I'm going to turn, obviously, this wig into dreads. And because I want to get into more special effects type makeup, I bought some spirit gum with a remover because I'm super afraid of getting something stuck to my face and not being able to remove it. So I made sure I got the remover. But how you get more remover than spirit gum? Girl, that's shady. But anyway, child, we move. Next thing is a facial steamer. Whoa, facial steamer. I'm not going to take it out the box because, girl, it's already taped up. But yeah, it's just a facial steamer. It's like dome shaped, and then you turn it to the side and the steam comes out that way. So it's shaped like this and the steam comes out like that. Girl, you see the picture. You see what it look like. Next up are these really thin nail art brushes. If you can see. Yeah, they're super thin. But yeah, these are going to be really good for doing eyeliner. Moving on to another wig. I bought 3 wigs. This wig came with, no, it didn't come with that. It came with a comb, a rat tail comb, a instructional manual, and a wig cap. So this is what she looks like. I'm not going to take her out the netting because she's going to get tangled because she's synthetic. But she does have lace. She's lace front. And this is a color. Like I said before, the color is going to be super washed out. But it's not a very intense color. But it is a muted, very, very, very muted, toned down peachy pink. But I'm sure you've seen this reviewed plenty of times on YouTube because I've seen 1,001 reviews of this wig. So yeah, she's long. I don't remember how many inches she is, but she looks to be about maybe like 24, maybe 26 inches long. Next up are some Post-it notes. I like to write notes to myself and stick them on my either my mirror or my computer screen around the edge because I'm a very visual person. If I see it, I know that I need to do that thing that's on the note. If I don't see it, girl, it's not getting done. So I just got a pack of 6, but they're all white. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but yeah, they're completely blank. Moving on, I got a headband. I got several headbands, but this one came separate from this set. So there's a set of these headbands, and then this one I had to buy separate, which is annoying. But yeah, it's the popular padded. So yeah, it's just the popular trendy padded ones that have been going around across the interwebs. It has some height. It has some height and it's smooth and velvety and all that. I'm not gonna go through all of the colors. I'm not gonna go through all the colors, but I believe there's a set of 12. So it's blue,
black, yellow, maroon, like a cream, khaki color, green, two different tones of green, mauve, and brown.
So next up are some stickers that I got for my laptop. So this is the case, really cute case that it comes in, like a little cat. And then here are all the stickers. I'm not gonna go through all of them because, girl, we don't have time for that.
So the game, or a DS one, a Game Boy DS, some words. So these are, what do you call it? Vaporwave inspired stickers. This is one of my favorite. That old school, like Dell Windows computer program. Yeah, I miss those days. Good old dial-up. Ice cream. And then, oh, these are really good. If you never had these are really good. These are shrimp chips. So good.
But yeah, I don't remember how many came in the pack. I think it was like 24 came in this pack. But yeah. So next up is this facial skin scrubber. This particular one has been kind of trendy lately, and it's good for getting in your pores and cleaning out all of the dirt and blackheads. And it also helps with lifting and tightening the skin. So I'm really psyched about using this. Next up are just some butterfly clips. I'm really into hair accessories, as you can see. This is actually toned down for me. Normally I have like 10 clips on one side and a bunch of other clips in my hair. But yeah, just got some assorted colored butterfly clips. I don't know why I had a brain fart on that. Next up, more hair accessories. But these are clip-on beads. So instead of stringing the beads on your hair, you just open them up on the side. So you just open it up and then you snap it closed. And then you have a bead just chilling in your hair. So it came with a variety of colors. Next up is the last wig that I bought. I actually tried this one on. I tried this one and the orange one on. And this wig, she's small. Okay, I had a tough time getting her on, and I get that I should have probably braided my hair down a little bit. But so yeah, this is what she looks like. I'm not gonna take her out the net because, like I said, she got really tangled. But it's such a pretty color. It's this muted purple mauve color, and she does have a little bayang. Yes, we like a bayang in this household. But she's really pretty. She's really long too. I honestly wanted to cry because I was like, wow, my head is actually that big that I can't even put a wig on it. You can't lose weight in your head. Wait, never mind. We're not doing that. Next up is this Nuva Skin. It's a 3-set of serums. You get a hyaluronic acid serum, retinol serum, and vitamin C serum. All 3 of these are really good for your skin. I've been wanting to get into serums, but serums are expensive. Even if you get them from the drugstore, girl, they're expensive. So when I saw this, a set of 3 on Amazon, I was like, yes. This is the second to last thing. It's going to be hard to see these, but these are flame. These are meant for nails, but obviously I'm going to use them for makeup because, girl, I don't do nothing with my nails. Girl, I beat my hands up too much for that. So, anyways, these are flame stickers. They're nail decal stickers. These are really pretty. And mind you, these are super pretty. So, the camera's not going to pick them up, but it has a really pretty, what is it, like duochrome gradient.
So it's red, pink and blue, another pink and blue, but more like purple and blue, but there's some pink in it. And this one's like an opal. You're not going to see because of the light. This one is like a yellow and purple. Silver, and you can see that. Green and pink. And then opal, the colors repeat.
But yeah, these are going to be so dope for a look, like on the eyes. Oof. I have some looks planned for these. And last but not least, I bought a huge packet of, what do you call these? Decorations? Yeah, like butterfly decorations. But obviously I'm going to use them for a look. So you get a very good selection of different colored butterflies. And each butterfly comes in like different colors. Like
this is the blue pack. This is like a red, orange. Right here. There's another blue pack. This is another red, orange. And then this is pink and purple. And it has some yellow in it. And then green. And yellow, orange. And the last set is just the pink and fuchsia.
So you're actually supposed to put these on your wall. Like they have a flat piece right here, and where are the stickers? And it comes with stickers. You're supposed to take a square off of it and stick it on there and stick it on the wall. What I do like about these is I was messing around with it the other day. These are really good. These are really cool because they're actual plastic. Like they're not like, you know, gonna fall apart. So what you can do instead, unless you want them flat on the wall, you can actually bend the wings to give it a 3D effect, which I thought was super cool. So what obviously I'm gonna do is I'm going to stick them to my skin and have them like cascading like from my chest up my neck and all that. So that's why I bought the spirit gum, because spirit gum is gonna have a stronger hold, because normally when I stick stuff like this on my face, I use eyelash glue, but that's not going to be strong enough for these. That is it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed what I got. Let me know if you had any of this stuff before. How did it work out? Did you like it? I'm sorry I've been MIA, but school has taken over my life, and now that I'm back working, that has taken over my life. And trust me, I'd rather be sitting here filming and doing these looks, slaying these looks and these videos for y'all. But baby girl gotta work and graduate college, so I'm gonna see y'all later, okay? And remember, wear your mask, Black Lives Matter, register to vote, and then vote. Drink some water, and take your vitamins.